Hi guys, it's me, Owen, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make two paper airplanes designed by Foldable Flight. That's his channel name. I don't know his real name, but I watch him sometimes and he makes paper airplanes good. I have a book of him. I have a book of paper airplanes about him. So go to footableflight.com. So, meanwhile, we are going to be making two incredible paper airplanes. So one is like this. This is a boomerang and also a glider. So, and this one is called the 1 minute paper airplane. So, let's get right in. So if you have notebook paper, two of them, because we're going to be making two airplanes, that would be very great if you had this. But if you have a ruler as well, that's good as well. So the first step is fold it in half this way so that it's long. And then here's to the part where you're gonna need the lines. So if you go down, and then if you fold this down, fold this part down, and leave it on two lines, and that's 1 inch. So the ones that, the people that only have this paper, good for you. It's because then it's way easier. Then unfold, fold down to the crease that you just made. And then you're gonna have this, and then just fold it down one more time. Fold the corners to the center crease.
Why do you need a brush your teeth when you with your braces in the car?
Then you're gonna have this, just like this, and then you're gonna put it. Now, you're gonna do this, and if you're new to the channel, then I'm just gonna show you how to do this. You know, if you just look right here, then the ones that are not new to the channel, then you know how to do this, and do the same on the other side. So basically what you're trying to do is you had this, and then I unfolded it, and then you had to fold it to the crease that you just made. And then do it to the other side. And then do not just do this with them inside. What you want to do, since we have this pocket, you want to slide them right inside there.
That's blue, is it?
And you're going to have this. See? It went inside.
That's blue.
Now, you're going to flip it over and then fold it in half.
Not waffling for kids, but it's only like, what is that called again, Dad, what I said?
Fold here to the bottom for the wings.
Daddy, what's that?
Do the same on the other. And there, you got the 1 minute paper airplane. Curl.
Look at that, all red piece.
It flies really good. It flies high. Okay, now we're gonna need this. Another piece of paper. Fold it in half. Fold it in half the long way, and then fold it over that way, both sides, okay? I just wanna go kind of fast. It's because I'm making this video as quick as I can. It's because I have school soon. And then at any part you need, if you ever need an adult, like I say in all my videos, almost every video, ask a parent if you ever need help. When you're done with that, with the crease down, side, side, and then now we're gonna flip it over, fold it down right on the X.
Now what about these?
I'll flip it back over. See, I did this. Flip it back over and then push in the middle and then go over to this side. And then what you want to do is you want to do this. We're going to fold it over to that side. Fold it over to that side just like this. See that we made one of those? Now we're just going to put our fingers in there and then squash fold it. So now we're just going to fold it. You just kind of want to crease the tip as hard as you can. There. Now you want to flip this over to the other side and then fold it up to the top. And unfold that, flip it back over to the usual side, and then do the same on the other. Now you're gonna have these two crease. All you wanna do is you wanna kinda, and then if you ever need to recrease them like what I'm doing, that would be great. And then you kinda wanna pinch them. Pinch the crease like this. So then you're gonna have this. And then, here, let me just take a second. I'm gonna pinch it. I just wanna make the crease so then I can show you guys how to do it. What you wanna do is you wanna pinch the crease and then bring it to the center and then do the same on the other. Obviously. And then you're gonna fold the tip down about to this. About to that. About to the second point right there. And then put your fingers in the two sides. And then see what I'm showing you is you're going to put your fingers in the two sides and then you're going to put the sides inside them. And you're gonna have this, flip it over, fold it in half. Fold this part right there down to that tip. Try and make it as perfect as you can. Okay, now you're gonna have this. Now you just wanna fold just about like less than an inch, like maybe even a half an inch. Then there you go. So that's my video today. I hope you like them. I love you guys all so much. Like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.